kan kal na mun an lakwal ve reng reng e hei kan bus nha video in lo en zel don nha hei ran sa chemuang tho ka mu cha ka mu ton ta taka
I got this just one.
Just one, yes. And when did they figure out you?
là mùi thép mày hề
Can't see his face.
bên chỗ Costa Rica kan ama hei Veragua kan Cardona forest mo rain forest chuan hei then Pechawa đâu thiệt sắp dễ rồi nha bên chỗ hay hết tiếng phê thì cần tí đón ha mình râm sa hi các mút sa kan ya slot hi mo kan ram sa mu ho tur te nei hi he
Okay, the first 12 people, you're going with my co-worker here, Junior. Junior is your guide to go for the exhibits and take you also on the
kan han kal chon nge hay kan kal chon to do na kan lakwa le lo kan ma
That if you do it like this, you get all of it. But if you do it up,
hay mình mun kal tur han dar kar khat le a chan ve ba sa kan kala chuan amuna hian zun in te oma hay lại han mo hei tiang na te kan rama kan mu ang thau kha kan han kal chana nge rule om na kan eng lo don yom tak de he li nga nei ni hin ha he oi arong hin ang lu to ka he thil he an lizard ali he Costa Rica lizard kan han ka za nga he an siam thak hop me an len big za he nge kha ka chat ka chat mut ha chon lian khop me Mizoram khan ka mute lom sa
and these are the seats from the very last.
hosana kung po tam khop me
Shady days, the leaves goes down, but when it's a sunny days, the leaves goes up. So it's the praying position, right?
hi snake plant anti mo thili ka shepak lo a soi zo o a soi zo ze la khan karon soi ve ni chu hey hami he www.veraguarainforest.com ti hi kan share ve ka kan ron tel zwai ram mai mani se he an siam tha khop mai ani chu ti han sum lak lu na nan mang da yan ram nai te mo sa zu the ka man panam ve tiang ang hau rule hi mo tiang ang hau hi he mi hmuna hian kan hmu thei za som le chuang ani chu Spanish le English ten hei an zia ka pakhathi eng tong e ka sha cha la chuan hei an thil ei thei te mo an umna thingkunga te thing kung la wale ya ten ti vel mo ka soi fia tham cha lo
This is this one at the bottom. Yeah, that's the green, the giant green anole. That is a little smaller. Okay, the second here is a big snake on the left. Is annulated tree boy. Right here.
Oh, right there. We were looking right. Yeah, it's right there. Okay.
Well, a portion of the body is down, a portion of the body is up.
Yeah. How long is it?
He's doing his ballet.
Excellent, good eye. This is my favorite type of lizard, the gallium. Finds this one because this one, I want you to give it a try because this one has a great camouflage.
hey
Keep looking. I'm going to talk to my Italiano co-fellow.
Mai.
ai zam na san
So es el regular.
Yeah, can you?
Bueno, cambiaron los números.
Sí.
Y el otro entonces cuánto viene con
Maybe.
Ma, yo escuché, creo que iba a venir con 20.
rong in
bueno, entonces subió este.
Este fue el que subió ahorita. Give you 1 minute.
son het a hand roll hey
Do you know? You found it? Is it something?
No, I haven't found it.
You see the head?
pakhat kan en liang
Her up in one corner because I don't see it.
hey hey ta hi hello da kera
Okay, everybody can approach.
mi ru thi ka mu zo lo khong e mo ni
The first thing they do is constriction, right? The first thing is that they will bite it.
we lian da to kheru he
Break all the bones. Preparing the meal. When you are eating or we are eating anything,
len sia so hey amoy
the
sin
snakes you're having, for example, a big problem.
saphai niang oh so to so avak cha mai so
Were pets. And then they start releasing, when they grow, as large as they grow, they don't have a space in the house and it snaps those feathers. One of the things, this one is about to shed the skin. Can you see that? That's why these colorations are pretty nice. Look at the head.
Yeah.
It's amazing. One of the things that you will see is that the snakes do not breathe from the nostrils at the nose. Most of the breathing is taken through the ceiling of the mouth. That's why when you see the mouths of snakes, it's more like an undulated point in the upper mandible. That's from where if they have to amputate. And many times with the vipers, that's something that could happen. Along the year, we only get 600 snake bite accidents, and 98% is from vipers. And the most responsible one, this is the skin.
alayat fa
Shed the skin. That's why the color is so beautiful. But look at this coloration. It's exactly like the leaf litter in the ground of the forest. You don't see it, but you feel it, right?
What's the time delay between?
It's variable because first of all you have to consider it. Where have you been bitten? If it's an artery, of course, will be less time. And the first thing you never have to do is John Wayne movies, right? Like putting a hot knife in the fire, do a cut, and then is that the destruction of tissue and all the muscles is taking place. If the eyes helps or not, but the most important thing is going the mind of the person to slow down the circulation. Okay? It's right there.
hey ru nan lo da
All this brown thing through the leaf. That's the snake. It's more a reaction, and that heat they can feel it. When you breathe, you create a heat, and they can feel it. And that is when they actually are taking their prey a lot easier. And he's facing you. Look at the head is right there. The other one. Folks, move forward that I can point you out. Where's the other one?
singa mo ka te ru ni
Which is this one right here. You see the green dot on top of the. Okay.
Oh, yes, of course.
And the
Before, where did it go?
right. So the one here is about to strike us. This other one. When I do like this.
The vines that cover up
we seen the
trees
tokhen
eventually.
ru po hi
Okay, that is not really an invasive. We saw a little bit of the morning glory related species that they grow on
Sukan
top
ng
of other
matang.
plants. 60% of all that plants are considered epiphytes. Epi means above and phyte means a plant. Plants where they grow in other plants without killing the host. It's just to find the right place.
Ru chi sang sang hau an ni kha khatiang hau khama
bromeliads, vines.
do ang na
But
fa
we
the ru chu khati chong kha na mun dang kan han pan le nge
Oh, it's just one.
It's the same bird family as the resplendent quetzal.
Oh,
In Latin, its name is Trogonia. And these ones are specialized taking seeds.
oh
Yeah,
thok Sunday
it's here, right here. Look.
okay a hai kwal na sa mai cho zong an yang adum lesson ang gray lampang ang polanet cha hay à chăm tiệm sẽ thà là chắc ang cho ram nói mà ni sẽ hay cả côngจะhay anh xem thật tóc thì han sai là sai no sum lak lu nan thì han ram nói anh ni cho hay anh manga hay mi tur te hi amana tàu em mà dollar sa chuang ania mà sẽ anh ni cho hay nghe anh lâu po anh sum lak lu te po atama kami bang khan hay tàu lâu thế lâu ni cho hay orchid bar hay anh ni tan chon kan ra ma te kan nei tho se an interest top ta ne cho hay tiang ang na te hi mo
It's like, for example, when you refer about pineapple, everybody.
hay ming te hi ti hian an pe thlap thlapa chuan he gai po hay ti ve chi kan ra ma mo no chuna chon hay ti hian a sign nen mo
That little thing is as fast that they can take in flight. And bats.
why is it striking out at us?
No, it's breaking out of this.
an cúp tắc néo mà hay hay hi arim hi so thing ang ginger ang amoy zia he he so ta sa ru la te lu tak
Is that right?
eng nal tóc
No, that's normal.
hay a sai fa vel mak trong hi rem cha thin la wa
Because some species of frogs, for example, into the species. Not that in general all of them will have the same mechanisms. So there's 11 different strategies in the reproductive ways that the frogs are doing, right?
anh ni siam chwa dan bel mo
No butterflies and no frogs.
han ti ve la mo kan ra ma hian chang te hi hay an chan chin vel an chiak do thlapa an hmu nom te hi tling me ni
Because I'm going to show you a group of eggs. And you see where the green dot is?
Yeah.
You see that jelly thing underneath the leaves? All this?
Yes.
These are eggs. That is an egg from the glass frogs, or tree frogs, or leaf frogs, because they lay the eggs on the leaves and they wait for the pounds of water underneath. So when they're hatching, the tadpole falls into the water.
o chok tui te kan lo la mu lo la hi glass
Right here.
On the stick.
You see, right there, where the green dot is, right next to it, and the other one is right here.
Right of it.
an tak sa chu la
He's looking at us.
Different than the other is more pointed nose than the other ones we got. And this one is very easy. You got it here. It's on the left hand side of the
Chọc nó đắng tay tóc,
because
nó
it's
quay
very
khát
easy
hồn
because
à.
it looks like a dead. Well, it could be one of those trucks that my friend from Wales
Tê
is
nó tóc
asking.
quần xuống
And he's
quỳ
been
kia
coming on banana. Okay, one. Show it.
ti hian hei building chunga forest an siam ani he u chok hian thim an du ti hi ka lo sha lo reng ka she ve cha waterfall te
Difficult, right?
chu pa mu lo wa chuan Thì hi kan hmu an te khopa over there. The tiny little one.
But it's going to be jumping around.
Now I'm having to shoot down. He's in the V. But they're both moving. There's two of them.
Yeah, over there. So tiny.
Only 5 different ones are there. This last one here are
Behind here.
So I don't know which species that one. I have to ask them to make sure that I know exactly which one.
Ante nom top.
Very colorful.
Lo pianon har.
Poisons, right? They can do the venom out of the skin.
Ante lo ko he ka pun pun pui piat lek le kan ni na mo. Ti sang sang an lo tom khop mai. Utok he. Utok bar hay. An bar top kan han kal le nya mun danga. Waterfall jam ko pa niya yang hai. Insects kan invento da tan.
So lepido refers to a scale, lepido refers to a wing. So what it says is that it's a wing covered with scales. That's why when you use your fingers, we got a little bit of grease. We remove part of the scales and the color is going around, right? And it's pretty particular that many of the colors of the butterflies, sometimes they can have interesting mimicry in terms of pretending to look like another creature, right? For example, this one, this is Batesian mimicry, that is in this case finding a butterfly that resembles the face of an owl. That's why people call this one the owl butterfly. Or the same blue morph butterflies where they have iridescent
Combination that is there.
according to the way they fly, they expose their wings. And flying, it's not that the entire wing is blue, it's only the top. So it's like closing, opening. It means like blinking lights, right? Like when you see fireflies. Just as the Now we can go down with a very careful way to see the handles.
Pang part ko ang yung pave. Ay, ito pave. Ito diyan to.
Anybody has a candy? Anybody has a candy?
Cái tập anh nấu tar lệ không được hay insect chỉ sống sống mà at tak cái cảnh này mà sẽ ăn thi vết tổ ăn tar mua rồi này experiment là tan mà tôi nói hay Pink Philip ôm na còn lụt nè ôm na này nào có mấy cái dao chấn tộc ôi ha thế thiếu thế những cái rau lụt tộc các bác một chút mà sẽ ăn lềm cái Pink Philip ini ate lụt tộc.
Look at the ring that it has. It has a black ring. Can you see that? It has a black.
Cái chàng cái chân ở đầu đấy đấy nhỏ này này tôi cần những bên chụp bức trang thấy được tốt cái hơn nha Kan siam thiam tấp ang mul nen zong zong. Hindi lang han siam mo at chung à hen. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes.
I know you're taking a video.
Good. Yes, my one.
So let's go to see if we see at least one moving in the surroundings, but stay still for everybody to take a picture.
Hay chụp
Okay? Everybody ready?
anh bố lấy mi lòng. Ôi hay mi plan thì cả hòn xác đứt tục. Tân khi mình bờ tạc ang nạc ang kal ta dan.
All the minerals and salty parts of the area emerging, the butterfly likes it.
Hay hay đang thế hi. Cáiนี้จะกันเน็กค่ะกันระมะอันนี้ตั้งจนหมุนนมคันนี่แหละมั้ง
The other groups of life that is only found in America.
What's that red thing up in the middle? See it?
ยูบิงบอร์ดก็ละมันเราอัดหอกสักแล้วตัวก็สับปะรดแต่มึง
But it's just nice to hear her speak about what we're
กันหันจอดจ้อยนะจัน
what is the
จะมากันจังดอน
ongoing
กันยิงคายดอนฟอเรสต์
to know, right? And that's pretty interesting because you can see the emerging flowers all over. Yeah. And here you can see the cherries. Look at the cherries back there. In the lowlands, coffee can grow.
ไอ้กาแฟกูมันนี่
Not taking the right timing. Takes much longer. Rainforest is
ไอ้บริกซิงกันหันนี่แล้วก็ไง
He will be the one explaining everything, and then Alan is. I love your stick.
Hello everybody, how are you? Fine. Pura vida. Nice. Kalisei, my name is Diego. I'm biologist.
ไอ้ที่ยันทีวีอันโซอาจังเลยกันหันเอ็นดู
200,000 hectares of primary forests, which also include segments of
กันร่ำเลยนะครบเลย
territory.
ชอบมากันก็โดนอ่ะเบ่งเชงโดนแล้วกันนี่ให้ตัดส่วนกันจ้างโดนให้อันเลิศความจันเมกาไก่ตัวอันนุ่งลำปังอาคาลูตังเอาให้กันจ้างตัวกันอีกใครถโดนทั้งหมด
And remember that you can take the chance to see the light on the treetops, right? Which is what we call the forest canopy. Forest canopy is recognized on science as the high frontier for science. Why? Because a lot of different species that live in the higher part of the trees, we don't know them. We don't know their natural history, their reproduction, the way they interact with other different organisms. So looking in here on the way down, the palm trees, remember the palm trees that we saw at the bottom?
กันอีกใคร
Hearts
ฉั
of
น
palm,
เนี่ย
remember the two of them? Look in there with the new shaft. Look at the fruit. Take a look of the vines growing on the tree trunks. Different methods and strategies that the plants are using in order to reach the light.
อันทุ่มหัลตัวปนจะถึงคง
Many
ไป
of
ที่
these
จะ
plants
นำพุ่น
are
เดล
using
เซล่ะ
seeds that they travels through the wind to reach the wonderful protein for us. So that is limon. That's from where we move from. You see it? The ship farther back? Pay attention in here because in these ecosystems we find other here. Sloth. Remember the sloth? Yes. They're up here too. We can find them. And this one actually is very interesting because it has a sap that is a very milky part. And that milky part, if it gets on your eye, it gets temporary blindness. Something like that. Consider the high frontier for science,
เช่น
right?
นั้นเองคายเถอะวะ
Look at all the moss. You can see another different species of plant.
ไล่ตัวแค่นั้นกันเองคายว่า
And you find in here orchids. There are orchids living in these surroundings, right?
อันติเทียมฮิกติเอ
The rest of 20 minutos.
กันเช่งแต่กันจนน่าจังกันสุดก็มุนดังอ่ะกันหันกันเล็กไง
Not everything in the forest is cheese.
mun da kan kal le to do na thing kung om na ve la mo
Trying to find as much as food as they can to survive. Look at this. See it?
atam mai se plan te hi o hon thei ni se replant tam ja niคนนั้นจากก็ก็อดลุตกอินาเองตาระอินาโคเหียตาระจะคือเลยเฮ็ดทิ้งกุ้งเฮอารูดอาซุงมอาสร้างแล้วตุกาฟิตจะหนีเวลจวงอาสร้างเนี่ยจวนให้ดิ้งเทแล้วเนี่ยจวนให้ติเฮียนอารูดให้อารอนอินกับปาระให้เฮียนขามีอาสร้างแล้วตุกาอติบาลานซ์เนี่ยชั่วโมงกันนิ่งค่ายเท่าเลยตอนให้กันดูดเลยเมฆต่อ
mountain range. The highest peak is indigenous people. They share territory and they go.
ให้เล่นจะให้เฮ็ดถึงกุ้งให้ราบละ
Here, no contamination.
อุปต่อก็ต้อง
These mountains are as a filter. They filter pollution.
คือทางโปอาซามนะซานี่เฮ
As well as a
ปุ่มเหลียนตบ
for the little species mammal.
จงเป็นที่อังามอมบอกเลยว่าเทลันสวยเมกะ
Insects what are in danger of extinction.
Our monkeys, is medium-sized monkeys.
Okay.
กันใช่ไหมซ่า
And then behind you are snakes.
จนให้ยันหัวลำบากกันไหนจะเร่งต่อ
Yeah, that's a good part, amigo. It goes
กันหันสอดเล็บก็ต่างอ่ะ
apart, it's open, and when it's
คือกันหันเละอ่ะหอมมาบาสจวนพามอ่ะ
Understand
กันหันเองไง
And the sandwich.
คือกันไอ้ดอนนะเฮ้ยแม่ให้ปะปายาเอาให้กับไอ้ดอนนะพอลำกำปั้นเลยต่อกันร่ำเนี่ยนี่อังนึกตุกะอะไรก็เกิดสุกี้มันนี่รามาอังอักสุกะกันไงปกติส่งให้กับวิดีโอที่จุนี่เลยเสตัวนี้ตอนจนดูตกิลาวิดีโอต่างกันยิ่งหัวเลยตัวนี้บายบายแค่ปเลย